In this demo, I'm going to navigate some of the key functions and features of the Coinbase browser wallet. Let's begin. On my Brave browser, I'm going to see in the top right, I have my Coinbase wallet pinned in my bookmarks. I'm going to click the Coinbase wallet logo to open my wallet. Now I'm going to see some of the key things I can do in this wallet. I can buy, swap, send, receive, and expand. Buy lets you add funds to your Coinbase wallet from an on-ramp or debit card, or transfer funds from another wallet. Swap will allow you to swap tokens. Send will allow you to send tokens. Receive will allow you to receive tokens. And expand will allow you to have a larger view of your wallet. In the larger view, I can see any of the assets I have. This is a demo wallet that I'm going to throw away, so I have no assets yet. Crypto, NFTs, DeFi, transactions will be a log of your activity, and if there's any test nets. And once again, you can see buy, swap, send, receive in the left sidebar. You can also check out the different apps you can explore with Coinbase Wallet. Let's click on Uniswap. I can learn more about it and then even navigate to Uniswap if I want to. If I open my wallet again, I can see crypto, NFTs, and DeFi when I have these. And at the bottom, I can see my assets, my transaction history, and go to settings. What happens if I click on settings? In settings, I can see that I can manage my wallets, networks, security, testnets, and different developer tools, display notifications, and get some help. We'll go into how to manage your wallet in another demo. And that is just a quick overview of your Coinbase wallet.